Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to run a text on Sublime Text using a MacBook Pro. So first we'll type something. Then we'll click on Tools. Then we'll click on Build System. We'll find, when you go all the way in the bottom, you'll find New Build System. You click on that. Then you erase this and I will paste something. I'll make sure to link it in the description. So then after you paste it, we'll click on Command B. So you have to save this file. So to save this file, we'll click on File, then click on Save As, and we'll just save it in desktop. And we'll run it by pressing Command and B. Then we'll go here and we'll press Command and B. You see the output is $50. We'll try printing something else. For example, let's print hello everyone, how are you doing today? So to print it, we have to press Command and B. So press these. As you can see in the bottom, it says hello everyone, how are you doing today? Thank you everyone for watching my video. Have a good day.